Welcome to Craze, where today we bring you the thrill, beauty, and power of the legendary Lamborghini Aventador, the ultimate symbol of luxury and high-performance engineering. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to control a beast that roars with the spirit of a V12 engine, ready to conquer the roads with unmatched style and aggression? Stay tuned, because what you're about to see will leave you breathless. The Lamborghini Aventador isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece, crafted for those who dare to push boundaries. Its design is bold, sharp, and aggressive, statement wherever it goes. The sleek, aerodynamic shape, signature Y-shaped LED lights, and sculpted body lines are the result of years of engineering perfection. Every curve serves a purpose, ensuring maximum performance at mind-blowing speeds. Under the hood, the Aventador houses a massive 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V12 engine that produces an incredible 769 horsepower and 720 Newton-meters of torque. This monster can launch from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest supercars in the world. With a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour, the Aventador delivers a driving experience that feels like piloting a fighter jet on wheels. The sound of the V12 engine is pure symphony for car enthusiasts. The exhaust note is aggressive, loud, and truly unforgettable. A sound that commands attention wherever you go, whether you're cruising through the city streets or tearing up the track. The Aventador promises a sensory overload unlike any other. Step inside the cockpit, and you'll find a world of cutting-edge technology and luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara, offering both comfort and sportiness. The digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, and customizable driving modes give the driver full control of this mechanical marvel. Even the start button, hidden under a red fighter jet-style flap, hints at the raw power waiting to be unleashed. The Lamborghini Aventador is available in several stunning versions, including the SVJ Roadster and the Ultimate Edition, each offering unique features and even more extreme performance. These variants push the limits of design and aerodynamics, delivering greater downforce stability and excitement. Whether you dream of owning one or just love admiring the engineering genius behind this supercar, the Aventador never fails to impress. It has starred in movies, graced magazine covers, and become the poster car for countless enthusiasts around the globe. It's more than a car. It's a lifestyle, a symbol of success, and an icon of automotive history. So buckle up and enjoy this ride through the world of Lamborghini Aventador, a machine that defines what it means to be a true supercar legend.